Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming that you have permission. Ask the calendar owner to share and grant at least can view all details. Next, open Outlook, desktop or web, and switch to calendar view so you're in the right workspace. Once done, use the shared calendars or add calendar option and type the colleague's email address. This initiates the add request. Make sure to choose whether to overlay or open side by side so you can compare schedules easily. Now you add the calendar and manage permissions. Once the shared calendar appears, right-click and choose Properties or Sharing Permissions to set your access level. If you need to edit events, Request can edit or ask for delegate access so notifications and replies behave correctly. Use Overlay mode to combine calendars visually, which helps when resolving conflicts. Also, create a custom color and set reminders to match your workflow. This reduces missed. To finish, verify the calendar synced. Refresh your calendar view and confirm events display correctly. If not, sign out and back in or restart Outlook to force sync. If events are missing, double-check the owner granted the correct permissions in Exchange or Office 365 and have them resend the share invite. Finally, if sync issues persist, clear the Outlook cache or remove and re-add the shared calendar. This often resolves lingering permission or sync mismatches and restores up-to-date event visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.